The utility reason people take them is to clean off the dirt and stink of the day. There is nothing wrong with enjoying the act of bathing. You can grab a book, light some candles, pour a glass of wine, and put on your favorite slow music. You could also add some Epsom salt. 1. Restore your magnesium. By far the most useful reason to take an Epsom salt bath is to help restore your magnesium. According to studies, stress can decrease your magnesium levels. Combine that with the staggering number of people who already don't get enough of it in their diet, and you have a populace of those who are magnesium deficient. Epsom salt baths can help that, and thus promotes relaxation and good health, and even helps improve your mood. 2. Get your detox on. Taking an Epsom salt bath is a great addition to your detox regimen, or just as a general detox. The sulfates in Epsom salt help draw the toxins and heavy metals out of your body, which can also help improve health and promote a general feeling of wellness. 3. Make your skin softer and smoother. The exfoliating qualities of Epsom salt make it a great home remedy for rough, dry skin. This is especially useful for people who have skin conditions like eczema. Much like everything else about these wonderful salts, they can promote wellness and help improve conditions. 4. Help gets over certain diseases. Some diseases like athlete's foot, gout, and toenail fungus have been shown to improve with the use of Epsom salt. These are uncomfortable conditions that can take a lot of time to heal. Especially athlete's foot and toenail fungus, because your feet spend all day in shoes and socks. Anything to help these sorts of conditions out is always a good idea. 5. Reduce pain caused by inflammation. Between Epsom salt and the warm water of the bath itself, you can help reduce pain caused by inflammation. Whether it's a strain or a sprain, a bruise, or other minor injuries that are caused by inflammation. It can also help with general muscle soreness caused by things like exercise or other extraneous exertions. 6. Improve your sulfate levels. As we mentioned earlier, Epsom salt has sulfates. Not only do these help extract toxins from your body, but they can also help promote wellness. When absorbed through the skin, sulfates can promote good skin, joint, and nervous system tissue. 7. It can help with constipation. A home remedy that people have used for decades is to take a little bit of Epsom salt to help relieve stubborn bowels. Since we've established that most of the minerals in Epsom salt can be absorbed into the body, the minerals are still reaching your bloodstream. If you're a little constipated, then taking a nice soak in an Epsom bath can help straighten you out. Epsom salts can be taken internally, but only on the advice of a physician. 8. Epsom salt can volumize your hair. While you're in the bath, why not give your hair a dunk in the bath water? Epsom salt's exfoliating properties also work with your hair. The minerals can condition your hair and help with the removal of oils that make your hair greasy. I don't think it works as well as your regular conditioner, but the battle to keep your hair beautiful is an everyday battle.